Little Corellas are fascinating species of cockatoo that are native to Australia and southern New Guinea. These small white cockatoos are a common sight across various Australian landscapes and have adapted well to urban environments. The little corella is a small sized bird measuring between 35 and 41 centimeters in length and weighing approximately 370 to 630 grams. They are primarily white with distinctive features such as a fleshy blue eye ring and a pale rose pink patch between the eye and the bill. When they take flight, a bright sulphur-yellow coloration becomes visible on their underwing and undertail, making them quite a spectacle against the Australian sky. These birds have a wide distribution across Australia, inhabiting arid deserts to eastern coastal plains. They are versatile and can thrive in a variety of habitats, although they are not typically found in dense forests. In urban areas, little corellas can often be seen in large flocks, gracing cities like Melbourne, Canberra, Sydney, and Brisbane with their presence. Little corellas are known for their social nature, often forming large flocks that can number in the thousands. These flocks may include a mix of species such as galas, sulphur-crusted cockatoos, and red-tailed black cockatoos. The birds roost in trees at night and are most active during the early morning when they travel in groups to feed. The little corella holds cultural significance for some indigenous Australian groups, such as the Yinjibarndi people, who refer to the bird as birdera. The species has been used traditionally for food, and their downy feathers are incorporated into ceremonial dances. From a conservation standpoint, the little corella is classified as least concerned by the IUCN, indicating a stable population. Despite their stable numbers, little corellas face challenges, particularly in agricultural areas where they are considered pests due to the feeding habits. Additionally, they can be destructive to the environment by chewing the bark of small twigs of trees. Understanding and managing the impact of these birds on their ecosystem is crucial for maintaining a harmonious balance with human activities. In July 2019, in a scene that was set to resemble a horror movie, about 60 corellas in Adelaide, South Australia, died in a suspected case of poisoning after falling from the sky, bleeding from their mouths and wailing. It was hoped that whoever poisoned them would get traced after doing a report on toxicology, which could nevertheless take several weeks to complete, because in Australia people were required to register if they purchased poisons. According to Sarah King, founder of Casper's Bird Rescue, who witnessed the deaths, and also said that this type of poison was a slow one that takes several weeks to work. Additionally, the local Alexandrina Council had beforehand called for a short-billed corellas to be culled for damaging crops and chewing on streetlights, damaging built infrastructure such as building and sporting equipment, and displacing other native species of birds, bees, and possums and other organisms.